Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by FerjusteXALIPEARL hair. We are not here for long because this is such a easy wig install. Y'all know how much I love those. This wig is super duper beginner friendly. Girl, this is your throw on, get up and go wig. This is your, it looks like I did a lot of work, but I really didn't wig, okay? For this install, my stylist used absolutely no glue. She did like a foam method. So she only used a little bit of foam. She tied it up with a wrap and we let it melt. Girl, it ended up looking so natural and flawless. You guys will see towards the end. This wig, girl, you need to get your hands on this wig. But let me give y'all the specs real quick. So this is a 24-inch 5x5 lace. This is an easy glueless wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes pre-bleached. It comes with a pre-cut lace. Girl, you don't need to do absolutely nothing to this wig, okay? My laziness brought me to the salon, but I really could have stayed at home and threw it on. But it literally takes seconds to install with no skills. It's 100% glueless. You can take it on and off very easily. As you can see, she's just blending it in with a little bit of foundation to match my skin tone. But my stylist even complimented this hair. This was the easiest hair install for my ladies out there that don't have the time to, you know, customize a lace, or if you don't know how to do it, because realistically, that's not something that everybody knows how to do. Then this is the wig for you, sis. That is all I must say. The hair was soft, it was luscious, it didn't shed, it didn't tangle, it held the curls beautifully. Girl, I was just, this is definitely one of my favorite wigs that I have. I love a 5x5 closure that looks like a frontal, and that's glueless. It literally checks out all of the boxes. So make sure that you do check the description box down below for every information that you will need on this hair. And also check out their website. FerjusteXALIPEARL is one of my top 5 hair company. I've worked with them numerous times and I've had an amazing experience on their hair quality. Whether you're looking for bundles, closures, wigs, glueless wigs, girl, they got you covered. So check the description box down below and stay tuned to see the final result of this hair.
First, middle, last on the